意大利雜貨店，貨品由意大利直接入口。經典意大利芝士、橄欖同火腿，樣樣都有。仲有住意大利菜必備嘅香草、意粉、醬汁，就連餅乾、小食你都可以喺度揾到㗎。
哇！依度真係有好多嚟自意大利嘅食材喎。
係啊，我介紹呢度嘅老闆俾你識 ，Massimo 啊，佢100%意大利人啊，對係食材佢好熟悉㗎。
但係我唔識講意大利文。
你同我講中文就得啦。
哇 ，Massimo，你中文好叻啊，非常之正確啊！咁啊啱啦，問下你先啊，中國同埋意大利嘅餐飲文化上高咧都有好多相似嘅地方啊。咁好似中國人咁啦，我哋有開門7件事，咁油同埋醋咧就一定唔少得。咁我聽聞意大利人咧對油同埋醋咧都好講究嘅喎，係咪啊？
你講得啱，其實每一次我哋坐低食飯啦，餐台上面一定有橄欖油啊，有黑醋啊。多數咧我哋中意浸麵包或者個有沙律咧，我哋攞埋一齊油同埋黑醋。
我知道食油越新鮮越好啊，咁食醋啊越舊越矜貴啊。點先算係一支好嘅醋啊？
我覺得係最傑最好。當然呢個傑嘅希望唔會引咗，但係最好咧係呢個傑嘅係要時間，最少20年啦。
有質素嘅陳醋最少要釀25年，而今日咁啱有嘅25年嘅意大利陳醋晚宴，釀醋廠主仲專程飛咗嚟香港做介紹添，我梗係唔會錯過啦。
Yeah. So, Marco, thank you for coming today. It's a pleasure to have you.
Thank you also for me.
Now, I wanted to ask you, I know Modena is a very popular vinegar town in northern Italy.
Yeah.
And I want to know how they can produce such high quality and expensive vinegar.
Okay. To have a perfect aceto balsamico traditional of Modena are important two things, the grapes and in particular Trebbiano of Modena, and the weather that must be cold and wet during the winter time and warm during the summer time. Minimum 25 years in barrels of different wood and different size.
咁樣其實 Marco 係話最少啲陳醋要養都25年，跟住咧100年之上，啲人多數都唔會放出嚟嘅，咁樣佢哋會收廠㗎。到底點樣食意大利陳醋最好？邊啲菜同佢最夾呢？我就入廚房偷師啦。其實佢話25年之上嗰啲醋啊，嗰啲陳醋啦，多數都唔會用嚟煮嘢食嘅，因為如果你用嚟煮嘢食，會好嘥嘅味道啊。
So, what do we have here? This is our appetizer, our egg frittata, right?
加埋啲黑醋咧，呢隻蛋好 rich 啊，所以其實呢一餐真係令人期待啊！
好 ，appetizer 食完啦，咁第一碟菜準備好啦。其實我啱啱問咗阿 Massimo，入邊呢個 risotto 有牛油啦，有芝士啦，有香草啦，同埋紅洋葱啊。So Massimo,
Yes.
to finish this dish, what do we have to do?
So we mix very fast. This is to make the risotto creamy.
Okay.
And then we dish up. And then we top up with gorgonzola cheese.
我諗尾擺啲芝士喺上面嘅。And then the final is always the same, right?
Always the best.
成日都係一樣，會放呢個25年陳醋淋上去嘅。呢個 creamy 嘅意大利飯，加埋濃郁嘅意大利陳醋，甜甜酸酸，好好味啊！除咗意大利飯，原來濃味嘅牛柳同陳醋一樣咁夾。將烤焗咗之後嘅忌廉薯蓉同牛柳配合埋陳醋，估唔到濃縮順後嘅陳醋冇蓋過牛柳嘅味道之餘，仲帶起牛肉嘅肉味添。主菜都咁吸引，甜品更加期待啊！
可能最尾甜品都係我哋用黑醋。
好啊！
雪糕。
哇！我咁大個仔，我都未試過一個 balsamic vinegar 雪糕嘅味道咧，我唔知，等我試下先。好似飲緊醋咁樣啊，不過一個冰咗嘅醋啊，幾特別啊，幾好食啊！啊，今日好多謝你請我哋過嚟你個 party 啊 ！Cheers！ 師傅，係我啱啱試完啲意大利陳醋啊，好好味啊！
我知道啊，我年年都去意大利